These peanut butter cookies are so easy to make and they are so soft and full of peanut butter flavor. If you like soft bakery style peanut butter cookies, then you will love these cookies. To make these cookies, you will need only a few basic ingredients: some flour, peanut butter, sugar, some softened butter, 1 egg at room temperature, some vanilla essence or vanilla extract to add a wonderful flavor and aroma to our cookies, some baking soda as a leavener, and a bit of salt to balance the sweetness. So let's see how to make these wonderful soft peanut butter cookies in 5 simple steps. So let's start by mixing together all the dry ingredients apart from sugar in a bowl. So into the flour, let's add in the baking soda and salt and give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed in the flour. And let's keep it aside. In another bowl, add in the butter, peanut butter, and sugar, and let's cream them together. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl in between. Let's whisk them for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now let's add in the vanilla extract and an egg and combine them together. Now let's add in our dry ingredients into this and mix them together. And while mixing them together, make sure there are no dry patches left behind. And now we need to chill our dough. We want our dough to hold its shape while baking. So we need our butter in the dough to be firm so that they can hold its shape while baking. So keep it in the refrigerator for about 35 to 45 minutes or until the dough is cold. So after 45 minutes, our dough is ready for shaping. So take small portions, about 1½ tablespoons of dough, using a spoon or an ice cream scoop for even measurement, and roll them into a bowl and place them on a baking tray lined with a parchment paper or onto a non-stick baking tray. And take care to keep your cookies about the same size to help them bake in the same rates in the oven. And leave about 1½ to 2 inches space in between the cookie dough, as they will spread a little when baked. To give that classic look to our peanut butter cookies, press the top of the cookie dough with a fork to bring that beautiful crisscross imprints on the top. Now our cookie dough is ready to go into the oven, so bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are golden brown in color. If you want your cookies to be more crispier, you can bake them for a few more minutes. If you want to keep the cookie dough for later, you can keep them in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days, or you can freeze the shaped cookie dough in a freezer bag for up to 1 month. These peanut butter cookies are super delicious, and if you love the peanut butter flavor, then you will love these cookies. And it's great with a glass of cold milk. And my kids love these cookies, and these are one of their favorite cookies. I hope you found this recipe is simple and easy, and I hope you will try these cookies at home, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please share this recipe with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.